nakikinig. Naghahanap po, nagsusunod na kakatayin. Wala dito. Side-check lang po ako sa likod.
Poker face yun nandito eh.
Ha?
Pag wala yan na lang. Wala oh.
Sige. Di ba, second na na yan, no?
Today's gonna be the day that they're gonna throw it back to you. By now, you should have somehow realized what you're gonna do. I don't believe in anybody else feels the way I do about you now. That day, the water's on the street and the fire in your heart is out. I'm sure you heard it all about, but you never really had a doubt. I don't believe in anybody who feels the way I do about you now. All the roads we have to walk are winding, and all the lights that let us are blinding. There are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. Because maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonderwall. Today's gonna be the day, but they'll never throw it back to you. By now, you should somehow realize what you have to do. I don't believe in anybody who feels the way I do about you now. And all the roads we have to walk are winding. All the roads that lie are blinding. There are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. Cause maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonderwall. May balulit. Ano tayo? Kumahanap yun ah.
May magaling-galing, no?
Nawala yung kanta na yun.
Wala na yung kabady mo. Kaya nga eh. Babalik din. May kanta niyan eh. Babalik ba? May ka-review ba? Uuwi pala yun.
I asked her to stay, but she wouldn't listen. She left before I had a chance to stay. The word I was meant, but things were all broken. Now it's far too late, she's gone away. Every night you cry yourself to sleep, thinking why does this happen to me? Why does Uwi na kasi kami kaya, yan, masaya eh. Pero ito, may iwan to.
Sa dalawa, uwi na eh.
Ganyan talaga.
Pero babalik pa.
Ang nagalo-halo na yung... Sabi lang ha. Ito yung... Pantay. Pantayin natin ng maayos ito. Yung totoo. In your eyes and I can see there's a dangerously you're not trusting your heart to anyone. Bakit? Tama na. Napawisan ako eh.
Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.
Enroll na naman to.
Bye-bye.
Pag-uwi. Dali.
Dali pa pala.
Manda na kayo dyan. Bibiyahin ko na kayo.
Rock and roll. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Na kami. Alis na kami. Alis na kami. Bye-bye. Alis na siya. Balik Pilipinas.
Ako. Tignan mo.
Oh. Tignan mo. Oh, diba? Oh, gamit niya, oh. Gamit niya yan. Gamit niya, oh. Wala na, gamit niya.
Babalik din. Kala mo hindi.
Ako, marami pa. Marami pang buwan, marami pang araw. Maghintay na kayo mga fans. Susunod namin mga gigs, you know.
Trisha pala. Trisha.
Hey, Trisha, ay.
Tayo mo ako
Ay.
dyan sa ano.
Ito pala si Vladimir. Vladimir
Tayo mo ka dyan
Aquino.
sa Harrison Plaza.
Sa Harrison Plaza. Watch him plays his songs.
May gig kami dyan lagi sa ano. Cowboy Grill.
May gig daw siya. Cowboy Grill daw. Cowboy Grill. So, check out.
Check that. Yeah.
Check him out. Yeah. Saba. Na. Wag nyo. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Alis na kami. Oh, eto pala yung kwarto namin. Kwarto namin to. Yan. Ayan. Ayan. Ito CR namin. CR. O, di ba? No smoking. Gago. Alam na nila yan. So, ito. Mga foods namin. So, marami. Songs and kopya pala. Oh, kopya. Dadalhin sa Pinas. Ayan. Na. Eto. Higaan. Mga higaan. Higaan. Ito mga higaan. Mga higaan. Ho, ho, ho. Ha, ha.
Kung pakita ang paing dumi.
Okay lang. Okay lang yan. Dumiraw. Okay lang yan. Uwi naman eh.
Hindi kami malakas sa rumbo eh.
Yan yung gitara namin. Gibson yan, ha? Gibson, ha? Brad, yun lang. Wala kang isa asawa mo, Brad. Baka makita ng asawa mo to.
Sina, mahal na mahal kita. Hindi kita pagpapalit.
Yan ang tama. Yan, di ba?
Ano lang,
Di ba? Tama yun, di ba? Oh, yun lang.
mahal kita.
Oh, yun. So, ipakita mo daw, ha?
Saka yung mga ano dyan. Sila.
Sila. Sino
Ako pala.
Oh.
Parang wawa yun.
Sige, sige, ha? Parang si Willie daw. Si Willie, oh. Mukhang Willie. Ah.
Rock and roll.
Oh, rock and roll. Lalabas na siya. Oh, pupunta na siya. Sasakay sa helicopter.
Hindi mo pa dito.
Dito tayo. Nasa okay kami. Baba kami. Tingnan mo, nakatalan siya bag. Yung isa. Isa kasama niya. Lumabas na. Ay, let's smack. Lapitan niya natin.
Ito yung kumain na lola ko eh.
Ito si Mac. Siya. Nakaka kami.
Go home, ano? Sorry? Go home? Yes.
Okay.
Go together.
Going together, ah. Okay. So, sana. Water namin. Tubig. Refrigerator. Patay na sila to. Okay, bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye na ako.